guys, welcome to Acoustic Academy again. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Novo Amor's Carry You. So today we're going to be in an alternate tuning, and that tuning is going to be with the capo off, C on the 6th string, G, D, G, A, D. So C, G, D, G, A, D. And we're going to have our capo on the 8th fret today. So everything that I'm teaching you will be relative to the 8th fret. So the intro establishes a finger picking pattern that remains throughout the whole song. So I'll teach you that now, and then I'll show you any variants throughout the song. So we're going to start on the 5th string with it open. So with our thumb, so that's 5th and then 4th string. And 4th string is open there. Then 3rd and 4th string quickly. So all open at that point. And then with our ring finger, we're going to pluck the 1st string open. So that's with our thumb for the 5th and 4th string, index finger for the 3rd string. So, and a bit slower. So we'll repeat that one 4 times for the opening 2 bars, and then we'll repeat it again another 4 times as the intro starts. So that's 8 times starting on the 5th string. Then we'll move on to our next chord, which begins on the 4th fret of the 6th string, and we're going to play 6, 4, 3, 4, 1. So just as we were playing before, but with the 6th string instead. So that's just 4th fret on the 6th string and then open on the rest. 6, 4, 3, 4, 1. Then we're going to go straight onto open on the 6th string and do that same picking pattern. So that's open 6th, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 1st. And then we're going to go straight back to the opening one, open on the 5th string. So for the intro, we begin with 4 bars, so that's 8 times on the 5th string that's open. Then onto 2 bars, so that's 4 times played through with the 4th fret on the 6th string. Then 2 bars on the open 6th string, that's 4 times played through. Then 2 bars back onto the 5th string. So verse 1 will be played exactly the same way as the intro. So it'll start with 2 bars, that's 4 times played through on the open 5th string. And then we'll go on to our 4th fret of the 6th string, 2 bars again. Then open on the 6th string. Then 5th string again. Now it's important to note that Novo Amor plays this in his acoustic version at about 92 beats per minute. So if you're using a metronome, it might be best to work your way up through that finger picking pattern, maybe starting a bit slower at about 70 beats per minute and then slowly building up the pace. Verse 2 will follow with almost the identical pattern. I'll show you here. We'll start on the open 5th as we have, do 2 bars onto the 4th fret of the 6th, 2 bars, open on the 6th string, 2 bars again, and then we're going to go back to the 5th string that's open and play that 3 times, and then we're going to play the 6th fret of the 6th string, so that's and that takes us into the bridge. So we'll begin the bridge with 1 bar on the 4th fret of the 6th string, to another bar on the open 6th string, then open on the 5th string for 3 playthroughs, so that's 1.5 bars. Then back to the 6th fret of the 6th string, 1 bar on the 4th fret, 1 bar open, 2 bars on the open 5th string. Verse 3 will be identical to verse 1, so that's without playing the 6th fret, so just from 2. So that's 4 playthroughs on each one. Then we get into verse 4. Verse 4 is identical to verse 2. So I'll show you that quickly, just from, then 4th fret, open on the 6th, open on the 5th, 3 times, then the 6th fret of the 6th string. Then we get into our chorus. Our chorus is played just like the bridge was before, so it's identical to the bridge. It's played through 3 times this time instead though. So we'll start with, as we were, 1 bar on the 4th fret of the 6th string, then open on the 5th. Then we'll play it through again, starting on the 4th of the 6th string to the open of the 6th string, then the open 5th string 4 times. Then we'll repeat that exact same thing, but going back to the 4th, to the open 5th, with 3 times played through there, and then we get onto the 6th fret of the 6th string. So the end of the chorus ends just as the end of verse 2, verse 4 and the first part of the chorus ended. So then we get onto the bridge, which is played identically, so that's played through 2 times. So starting with the 4th fret of the 6th string, then onto open 6th string, then open 5th string, and then ending with the 6th fret of the 6th string. So that's played through twice in the bridge. Then we get to the last chorus, which is played through in the same way 4 times. And then the outro is played with 3 chords just plucked. So that's the 4th fret of the 6th string, 3rd and 4th string together, both open, 2, 3, 4, then open 6th string, and those same 2, 6th, 3rd and 4th plucked together, all open, 2, 3, 4, then 5th, 3rd and 4th all together, 2, 3, 4. So just to end, that's 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and you can just hold that out there. So that was Carry You by Novo Amor. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment below to let me know what you thought, or if there are any other tutorials you'd like me to do. I hope you have a great day, guys. See you later.